G'day guys, just thought I'd show you where we're at with the Luv. Pile of parts here. And beautiful little surprises everywhere. We're actually going to take the body off, send it away for a sandblast. If anybody could tell me the correct space of the bonnet hinges would help. I'm not interested in this like and subscribe shit, so I'm just putting this up for everybody to watch. Okay, so down here we, as we all know, they all fill in with trees and leaves and sticks and mud, and yeah, that one's caked right in. I don't know if I've got a torch here that works. So we got right down into the floor. Yeah, gonna need a lot of those. But yeah, so we got right down into the floor, and if you can see the little dots everywhere, those little dots are old rivets from past repairs. That's the original chassis bolt, and that under here, sorry, looks like more gal. But if we get down in there, you can see where the rust. See the rust in there, and that's their old repair job. Sorry, I'm shit at this. It's easier when I do it by eye. You see the rivets and stuff. Goes right through. Right through. This is the passenger side wheel well. Floor well. Got a lot to do. So I'm thinking as well that if that goes right along there, seems to stop at about here, the bad stuff. But if we go down in here, we've got a fiberglass patch up. Wait till you see the other side. So we're thinking that this whole strip here has been redone. We know this bit here has, because that's where the holes are. So, which in hindsight, they haven't done a bad job. Like, it looks reasonable. My idea is to cut this bit off the bed, because the bed's not for this car, as you can see. So if I can cut from here right along and take this right up into here, I reckon I'll be able to put one fold in that and weld it straight over, of course, after it's all sandblasted. Okay, move around to the other side. No surprise. Sorry guys, I do it with a phone, but I mean, it's just for everybody's and my own family stuff as well. I get to watch the build from interstate. Again, more rivets. Now look, I know a lot about cars. I've never done a Chevy Luv. Don't get me wrong, you know, I'm not a fucking, you know, mechanic of the world. Jesus Christ. But mechanically minded, and I've watched a lot of YouTube videos, and I think, you know, basic knowledge, it's just, you know, stuff you pick up as you go along yourself with your own cars over the years. And not a bad job here. Yeah, she's knackered. But, and I will run a video at the end of all this. I'll show you progress as we go, but I'll do the thank you video, and thank you goes out to a lot of you YouTubers that actually build and teach and your tutorials and stuff. So okay, so here's a seal, as we can see down here, another rivet patch, and that actually goes right up to there, and you can feel the bondo, bog in Australia, thanks guys, but you can see that stops there. But if you go and look in the hole like we did with the other side, you can see that this side has also been riveted with a new piece of gal on this job here. So here is a back vent, but all this here has been filled as well because it's rippled on the inside. Oh, I'll drop that torch. Yeah, there's your inside ripples. So she's been crashed, busted up and rusted up. But we're going to salvage it, see what we can do. The rest of the car, I say the rest of the car's pretty good. I mean, another tutorial I've watched is how to redo these dashboards. It'll be interesting to see what comes out of it. Thinking that plastic piece up there, 3D printing, maybe, if I'm lucky. Definitely new steering wheel. Strip all these parts down. And all the little secrets that are hidden in those, I bet you. There's just one I found. All across the front of the bonnet's knackered as well. Bog delight. One at the top of the guard there. Bottom of the guard. Yeah, and again, I'm going to cut this away. And cut this away again from here up to there. I will take it off. I won't cut it while it's on here and have the tank in the car. Take the windows out. We'll send her off for sandblasting. Bring it back and see how much we really need to weld in. Alright, I think this is video number 8. Alright, thanks guys, see you next video.